Hello everyone. How are you doing? Today channel, Dance Sreyoun is going to present you about the most famous Thai actresses Mo. Manchanok Sangchaipiangpan is a Thai actress, model and singer. She was born on December 30, 1991 in Nonthaburi, Thailand. She is 1.60 meters. She is 45 kilograms. She graduated Bachelor at Sreyoun University in 2015 and she can speak Thai, English and Chinese very well. Her friends are Bua Wonsiri, Rathfair Chayachui Anjit, Premranita and Priyatasanya Karan Somnut, and her best friend is Bella Vanita. In her free time she likes cooking, traveling and art. She isn't married and she has no boyfriend also. Mo began her career after accompanying a friend to an audition. Ironically, her friend didn't get the job, but a modeling agency took Mo's picture and she was called in shortly after for a TV commercial, which she received right away. Prior to this, Mo had no plans to become an actress. From there on, she went to star in 2 films. Mo then made her transition to small screens with a cameo appearance in The Lakurn, Pingjai Ti Pukpun, in 2010. 2 years later, she debuted as one of the lead actresses in Likat Fachatat alongside Sun Yuksong Payson. A year later, they won the Most Popular Overseas Artist Award together at the Asian Idol Awards in China. For a while, Mo was demoted to a supporting actress. However, with the success and her growing popularity in Phun Phueng 2014 and Tawan Thud Purapa 2015, she was able to regain her position as a leading actress. Chiwit Pure Kahujai Pure Turt 2016 was Mo's comeback Lakurnas Nangak after several years of playing supporting in Nang Ray. Mo eventually rose to limelight through Raklong Jai Club Friday the Series 7 in early 2016. Her chemistry and performance with Tumtam Uthanapuang Klorg in this short series received much love and attention, with viewers requesting the producer to reunite the two in a sequel. Due to her popularity, Mo won the Best Bang Girl of the Year Award 2016 along with other trending actresses at the time. A year later, Raklong Jai To Be Continued became a huge success, further catapulting Mo to stardom. She is best known for her role in this series. After 6 years under her label, Exact, Mo decided to not renew her contract with them and became a free agent in May of 2018, allowing her to act for various channels. Following this decision, she was immediately casting 3 projects that same year for GMM25, Kantimai Yorm Rub, CH.3, T-Cray T-Man, and PPTV, In Time With You. In January 2019, Mo officially signed a contract with CH.3 as their actress. Aside from acting, one of Mo's passions is cooking and she hopes to pursue her dream of becoming a chef. Mo has also taken an intern to become a scriptwriter. In 2016, during an interview on IFMON TV for Raklong Jai, Tumtam Uthanapuang Klorg jokingly professed that he used to secretly like Mo. He also praised Mo as being very cute and lovable, and revealed his close friendship with her. When asked if he gets shy acting sweetly with Mo, Tumtam confessed, "Honestly, we've worked together as Pranang ever since my music video. Until now, I feel that it isn't hard to love this woman. Because personally I have gotten to know this woman, Mo, as very close friends and have seen her true self. I can feel that her true self is cute, very cute. I mean, for 5 years that I've known her, I may not have gotten to know her well enough, but at this moment, Mo is adorable, the kind of person that if I love her then I can love her." In 2016, during an interview on IFMON TV for Raklong Jai, when asked why Tumtam and Mo were cast in the series, producer Asval Raridvajaranai replied, "I wanted to work with 7 actresses that I haven't worked with before, hence Mo qualifies. After we casted Mo we thought of Tumtam, because they have great chemistry together." Pete Chod, the creator of Club Friday the series, also praised them as being extremely cute. In late November of 2016, it was announced that there would be a sequel of Raklong Jai because of its popularity and success. Raklong Jai To Be Continued's first official trailer was released on July 6, 2017. Within only 3 hours of its release on Facebook, it received over 1 million views, proving the popularity of the first season and its cast. Just like the first season, this sequel created a big buzz on social media during its finale episode, trending in the top hashtags for Thailand. Asvalraravajaranai, the producer of Club Friday the series, also recorded that there were over 100,000 viewers on GMM25's official Facebook live stream of the finale episode. Later on November 9, 2017, GMM25 did something they never did before in Club Friday history. They announced that they'd be filming and airing a special finale episode of Raklong Jai due to high demand for a third season. Despite only being one episode, this special recorded nearly 150,000 viewers on GMM25's official Facebook live stream, breaking its previous record, and proving once again the series' success and huge following. In December of 2017, it was announced that Raklong Jai to be continued would be airing on Cambodian television. In June 2018, the first installment of the series, Raklong Jai, was officially subtitled and made available to stream on Netflix USA under the title Game of Love. In early 2016, during an interview at the Nine Entertain Awards, Jespapat Tilapornpat and Mo were questioned about their relationship off-screen. Jis revealed that they've been friends and part of the same circle of buddies since before they entered the entertainment industry. Hence, they are close. In 2015, during the opening ceremony of Tumtaman Mo's sitcom, Mu Prap Gugugu, director Pongsik Chimjaron Gik, stated in an interview that he chose Tumtaman Mo as the leading couple because he believes that they are the most compatible. In 2015, Tumtaman Mo's Lakern, Kum Nang Kruane, was nominated for the Nine Entertain Awards in the Lakern category. The theme was quality shows that teach good morals. In 2014, Tumtam and Mo were nominated for K's Awards for their pairing in Kum Nang Kruane. In 2012, Mo won the Most Popular Overseas Artist Award in China along with Sun Yuksong Payson for their performance in Like It Fa Cha Ta Din. During their appearance at the Asian Idol Awards, Sun and Mo performed a song together for Chinese fans. Mo has expressed her admiration for older generation actress, Waranik Wangsawan Noon, whom she acted with in the Lakern, ESA 2013, playing as mother and daughter. In an interview for the Lakern, Mo stated, "I am happy and thrilled because I get a chance to play and work with the greatest actors and actresses of all time. Especially, Noon Waranik, who is my idol. She is very talented." That is all about Mo. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dance Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.